everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I am Louise, your independent Pampered Chef consultant. On today's episode, I'm not going to be cooking anything at all or talking about any products. I want to talk to you about 5 different fundraisers that I am currently doing and how you can help me help them. During the month of May, Pampered Chef has decided to double the contributions that they will give to a group or an organization. So I put it out there on my Facebook page for my friends to list off some of their favorite groups or charities. And we got a great selection, and I've picked 5. So the first one is the American Cancer Society and Hope Lodge. The second one is the Lone Star Bleeding Disorder Foundation. The third is an animal charity called Paw Pact Rescue. I'm also doing one for the Montrose Center that helps the LGBTQ community. And the final one is the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. Now, if you would like to help any one of these charities and organizations, I'm going to put the link so that you can easily click on the link and shop below. 30% of the total sales will go to any one of these charities. And if we reach $1,000 in any of these groups or organizations, I will donate an additional $50. So they will get a check from Pampered Chef, and then they will get a check from me as well. So thank you guys so much for subscribing and watching this video. I hope that you will decide to place an order, great or small. It will all help the 5 charities that I have listed. Again, they're going to be in the description below. It will be easy for you to just find the charity you wish to support, click, and place your order. Now, in addition to that, Pampered Chef also has a product where a portion of the sales will go to Hope Lodge directly. This is our avocado tool. Now, if you haven't already seen me use this, I'm gonna put a quick video. This is amazing. This end is serrated and super sharp for cutting your avocado in half. This end, as you can see, you hit the pit, twist, and it comes straight out. Very, very sharp. So a portion of the sales will go directly to Hope Lodge, no matter if you order it on any of the fundraisers. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to click to subscribe, ring the bell so you will be notified of all my upcoming videos. And like I always say, happy cooking!